discovered Autocrest through a common friend a couple of months ago, and I was having a problem maintaining my Mercedes, which would go to T&T and other OE service centers. And I was never satisfied. The performance was low, and there were a series of problems. The car is also old, and I thought of getting it checked out from Autocrest. It was a good analysis. We agreed to get the job done. I was delighted to note that the job got done at about a third of what the OE service centers were offering. And indeed, I was part of the renovation itself. There was the engine, there was the transmission, there was a lot of other things. And I'm delighted that this baby of mine is ticking away.